Anthony Butler, now on Biography. For Tony Butler, helping others has always been the right thing to do, and there are many people out there today that have benefited greatly from his help. The oldest of 9 children, Tony grew up in upstate New York. Religion was very important in the Butler family, and at 18, Tony joined the Franciscan Friars. As a Provident brother, he worked for various causes around the country. It was during one job that he met a woman that would slightly alter his career path.
I love baseball, and he said, let's go to a game, and we had so much fun. He always laughs and says that's when he fell in love with me.
I like to think that my mom was sort of the straw that broke the camel's back, and he realized that he had a duty to serve as a layperson and as a husband and eventually as a father.
The Butlers settled in Brooklyn and started a family, which included taking in a foster child who's still a big part of their lives.
Vidia came to us when she was 16, and before she left, we had fallen in love with her.
One day, Jean saw a job posting that she thought might interest Tony.
I called him, and I had 3 or 4 different agencies, and Bread and Life was a no. But when I sent out the resumes, I sent that one out too because I just had this gut feeling.
Tony received a call and was offered the job of executive director.
It was obvious that he was very dedicated to serving the poor, and you could tell that that was kind of coming from his soul.
Bread and Life services 320,000 people annually and addresses the issues of hunger and poverty in Brooklyn and Queens.
Many of the soup kitchens in the neighborhood had closed, and so there was a need for more space for meals, but also for additional services.
Within a year, Tony raised the money needed to complete a $10 million expansion. Under Tony's leadership, Bread and Life launched a mobile soup kitchen and the country's first digital food pantry.
Formerly, they would come in and get a bag full of groceries depending on the size of the family. Now everything they get is what they picked. It's an amazing innovation.
It was through Bread and Life that Tony developed a connection with St. John's University and the Vincentian spirit, which mirrored one of his favorite passages, Matthew 25.
When Jesus said, when I was hungry, you gave me to eat, and when I was thirsty, you gave me to drink, and when I was a stranger, you welcomed me. That's why we're there.
In 2007, St. John's University became involved with Bread and Life, and 2 student-served programs were launched. With Project ID, students helped visitors obtain the documents they needed to reintegrate into society.
Seeing young people really passionate about service and helping the less fortunate is something that really means a lot to him.
With the second program, accounting students help prepare tax returns for Bread and Life's guests.
He's got the intellect to know what to do. He's got the strength of character to make things happen. And he's got the style to do it in a way that makes people want to follow him.
My dad is a huge source of inspiration for me, and I know that ultimately I want to do the kind of work that he does.
Last year, Bread and Life fed over 1 million people, and under Tony, these great strides are accomplished through warmth, care, and compassion.
To see him, when folks come for the first early morning meal, it's like they've come to a community organization to which they belong. He treats every single person like a gift from God.
And that is why we are proud to honor you tonight, 2014 Spirit of Service Award honoree, Anthony Butler.
They say that in order for somebody to go to heaven, you need a letter of recommendation from a poor person. You will be flooded with letters of recommendations for all the people you've helped.
You are one of the most deserving people I have ever met.
You're changing lives for the better every day.
I'm really proud of you for all the work that you've done at Bread and Life and in our community and our family.
Thank you for always inspiring me, respecting me, and loving me. I love you, and congratulations.